Practice CyberArk Sentry Secrets Manager, SECRET-SEN, exam questions from this video. 1. A customer wants to minimize the Kubernetes application code. Developers must change to adopt Conjur for secrets access. Which solutions can meet this requirement? Choose 2. A CPM push to file, B secrets provider, C auth in Azure, D secretless, E application server credential provider. Answer: B, D. 2. If you rename an account or safe, the Vault Conjur synchronizer recreates these accounts and safes with their new name and deletes the old accounts or safes. What does this mean? A. Their permissions in Conjur must also be recreated to access them. B. Their permissions in Conjur remain the same. C. You cannot rename an account or safe. D. The Vault Conjur synchronizer will recreate these accounts and safes with their exact same names. Answer: A. 3. After manually failing over to your disaster recovery site, Site B, for testing purposes, you need to fail back to your primary site, Site A. Which step is required? A. Contact CyberArk for a new license file. B. Reconfigure the Vault Conjur synchronizer to point to the new Conjur leader. C. Generate a seed for the new leader to be deployed in Site A. D. Trigger autofail over to promote the standby in Site A to leader. Answer: C. 4. When working with credential providers in a privileged cloud setting, what is a special consideration? A. If there are installation issues, troubleshooting may need to involve the privileged cloud support team. B. Credential providers are not supported in a privileged cloud setting. C. The AWS cloud account number must be defined in the file main app provider conference found in the app provider conf safe. D. Debug logging for credential providers deployed in a privileged cloud setting can inadvertently exhaust available disk space. Answer: A. 5. When working with summon, what is the purpose of the secrets.iml file? A. It is where summon outputs the secret value after retrieval. B. It is where you define which secrets to retrieve. C. It is where you store the Conjur URL and host API key. D. It is the log file for summon. Answer: B. 6. What is the correct command to import the root CA certificate into Conjur? A. Docker exec evoke CA import no restart root. B. Docker exec evoke import no restart root. C. Docker exec evoke CA import no restart. D. Docker exec CA import. Answer: C. 7. What is a possible Conjur node role change? A standby may be promoted to a leader. B. A follower may be promoted to a leader. C. A standby may be promoted to a follower. D. A leader may be demoted to a standby in the event of a failover. Answer: A. 8. While retrieving a secret through REST, the secret retrieval fails to find a matching secret. You know the secret onboarding process was completed. The secret is in the expected safe with the expected object name, and the CCP is able to provide secrets to other applications. What is the most likely cause for this issue? A. The application ID or application provider does not have the correct permissions on the safe. B. The client certificate fingerprint is not trusted. C. The service account running the application does not have the correct permissions on the safe. D. The OS user does not have the correct permissions on the safe. Answer: A. 9. During the configuration of Conjure, what is a possible deployment scenario? A. The leader and followers are deployed outside of a Kubernetes environment. Standbys can run inside a Kubernetes environment. B. The Conjure leader cluster is deployed outside of a Kubernetes environment. Followers can run inside or outside the environment. C. The leader cluster is deployed outside a Kubernetes environment. Followers and standbys can run inside or outside the environment. D. The Conjure leader cluster and followers are deployed inside a Kubernetes environment. Answer: C. 10. When loading policy, you receive a 422 response from Conjure with a message. What could cause this issue? A. Malformed policy file. B. Incorrect leader URL. C. Misconfigured load balancer health check. D. Incorrect Vault Conjure synchronizer URL. Answer: A.